Welcome to CruiseLink. In this video, we'll cover how to create a booking.
Once you've selected your flights, pause for a moment to review the air itinerary details.
Check departure and arrival times, layovers, and total travel duration. Make sure the flight numbers and cabin class are correct. When everything is confirmed, you're ready to move forward and enter the passenger details. Creating a booking is straightforward, but you want to have all required passenger information ready before you begin. You'll need each traveler's full name exactly as it appears on their passport or travel documents, along with their date of birth, passport number, expiration date, and country of issuance. If the passenger is traveling on a cruise or tour fare, the airline may require the appropriate documentation before boarding. Not having these available may result in denied boarding. Airlines also require passenger email addresses and cell phone numbers so they can reach travelers if any updates occur after the trip has started. Be sure to complete all required fields which are marked with a red asterisk. Missing information can prevent the booking from being finalized. With everything filled out accurately, you're ready to move forward and complete the booking process. Please review the remarks, which are the terms and conditions of the sale. After reviewing the rules and regulations on the policy screen, you'll be taken to the Confirm Booking page. At this stage, you can add any applicable commission before finalizing the reservation. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm to officially create the booking. As soon as the booking is confirmed, you will see the booking status as reserved. The record locator will be provided along with the must purchase by the time and date. Right after you complete an air booking, CruiseLink automatically sends a booking confirmation email. This message includes all the essential reservation details such as record locator, passenger names, fare and taxes, ticket type, travel date, must purchase by date, full air itinerary, including flight numbers and schedules. Take a moment to review this information carefully. Once booking is made, corrections can no longer be made. If you need to send a quote to your client, select the passenger quote option. This will open a new browser window displaying all relevant details, flight information, purchase date, itinerary, and more. Next, take advantage of the message box. This is your space to add any personalized notes, reminders, or instructions for your client. Whatever you type here will be included along with the rest of the travel details in the final email. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find an option to copy the terms and conditions associated with the sale using the label. Copy from remarks. These can be pasted directly into your communication with the client to ensure they have all required information. Please review the pasted information and remove anything not deemed appropriate to pass on to the client. Next, head to the top left and select or enter an email address. Then select Send Receipt. This generates the official email communication and sends the receipt straight to the client. With the booking confirmed and the quote prepared, you're ready to provide your client with a complete and accurate summary of their travel plans. Thanks for following along. You've now learned what traveler information is needed, how to enter passenger details, and finalize the booking. With these steps, you can book with confidence.